Now you're going to learn about two types of decision-making groups. Most group decision-making takes place in what we call interacting groups. The members meet face-to-face and rely on both verbal and nonverbal interactions to communicate. These groups are susceptible to the challenges we learned about in the previous parts of this lecture. Things like group think and social loafing. Brainstorming can minimize these problems and can help groups develop cohesion. The goal of brainstorming is to overcome pressures for conformity and develop a high number of high-quality ideas. In a typical brainstorming session, people sit around a table and the facilitator explains the situation or the problem. Each member shares as many ideas as possible. The unique feature of brainstorming is that no judgment is allowed. Any idea is written down, no matter how crazy or out of this world or seemingly impossible. All of the ideas are recorded until no one can come up with any more ideas. Then the group discusses each idea, analyzes each idea before choosing the best option together. Ironically, research consistently shows that individual people working alone actually generate more ideas than a group in a brainstorming session. One reason for this is what we call production blocking. People are blocked from producing more ideas simply because there are other people physically present, and because many people might be talking at the same time. Some experts suggest that the nominal group technique is more effective than the brainstorming technique. Nominal groups restrict discussion and dialogue during the decision-making process. First, once again, the group meets face-to-face, they sit next to one another, and the facilitator states the problem. All group members are physically present, but each person operates independently. Before any discussion takes place, though, each member writes down their ideas, brainstorming independently on their own. Then, each group member presents one idea to the group. No discussion takes place until all of their ideas have been presented and recorded. The group then discusses the ideas to clarify and to evaluate them. The members then silently and independently rank order the ideas from highest quality to lowest quality. The idea with the highest average ranking determines the final decision. The main advantage of the nominal group technique is that it allows members to meet face-to-face, but minimizes production blocking and takes advantage of consensus building. Exhibit 9-5 from your textbook compares interacting groups, brainstorming groups, and nominal groups across 8 criteria for effective decision-making: number and quality of ideas, social pressure, money costs, speed, task orientation, potential for interpersonal conflict, commitment to solution, and development of cohesiveness. For the most number of ideas and for the highest quality of ideas, nominal group works best. To develop cohesiveness, brainstorming groups work best. As you can see here, the choice depends on what criteria you want to emphasize and the cost-benefit trade-off.